Hello everyone, welcome to ClearIAS. In today's video, we will be discussing about the major crops in India. I am Ujjwala Pullela, an educator at ClearIAS. This video is factual and will be helpful for you in solving the MCQs. Introduction. India is an agriculturally important country and a variety of crops are grown here. The major crops in India are classified into two types. Food crops, which consist of rice, wheat, millets, pulses, maize, etc., and cash crops, which consist of sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, etc. Cropping seasons. So before learning about the major crops, first we need to understand about the cropping seasons in India. India has three cropping seasons. They are Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. Kharif. These crops are grown with the onset of monsoon and are harvested in September-October. Important crops are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, tur, moong, urad, groundnut, soybean, cotton and jute. Rabi. Sown in winter from October to December and harvested in April to June. Important crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. Zaid. This is the short season during the summer months between the Kharif and Rabi seasons. Important crops are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber and fodder crops. Rice. For the majority of people in India, rice is the staple food crop. Cropping season is Kharif. Requirements: temperature above 25 degrees centigrade and rainfall above 100 centimeters. Areas: hills of northern and northeastern India, coastal areas and deltaic regions. Wheat. Considered to be the second most important crop after rice. Cropping season is Rabi. Requirements: bright sunshine and an annual rainfall of about 50 to 75 centimeters. Areas: Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest and the black soil region of the Deccan. Millets. The important millets are ragi, jowar and bajra. Cropping season is Kharif. Requirements: can grow on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Areas: for jowar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. Bajra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Gujarat. And for ragi, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. Maize. It is used as both food and fodder. It is the third most important cereal crop. Cropping season. Predominantly it is a Kharif crop but can be grown in Rabi season too. Requirements: requires a temperature between 21 to 27 degrees centigrade. Areas: Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. Pulses. India is the largest producer of pulses in the world. They are the major sources of protein in the diet for the vegetarians. Cropping season: peas and gram Rabi, urad, tur and moong Kharif. Requirements: require less moisture and can thus grow even in dry conditions. Areas: Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Sugarcane. It is a major cash crop in India. Cropping season is Kharif. Requirements: requires a hot and humid climate with a temperature between 21 to 27 degrees centigrade Annual rainfall between 75 and 100 centimeters. Areas: Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Bihar, Haryana, Assam and Andhra Pradesh. Groundnut. India is the second largest producer of groundnuts in the world. It is the major oilseed crop in India. Cropping season is Kharif. Requirements: requires around 20 to 25 degrees centigrade temperature. Areas: Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. Tea. It is an important beverage crop and is an example of plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture is a type of commercial farming where a single crop is grown over large areas. Cropping season is Kharif. Requirements: it grows in moderately hot and humid climate and requires a temperature between 20 to 27 degrees centigrade. Areas: Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Coffee. Some of the finest Robusta and Arabica varieties of coffee is produced in our country. A majority of our coffee is exported to European and Asian markets. Cropping season is Kharif. Requirements: temperatures between 15 to 28 degrees centigrade and rainfall from 150 to 250 centimeters. Areas: Nilgiri Hills in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Rubber. It is an important raw material for industries. Cropping season is Rabi. Requirements: temperature above 25 degrees centigrade and rainfall above 200 centimeters. Areas: Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Cotton. It is one of the most important cash crops and is the basic raw material for the cotton textile industry. Cropping season. Predominantly it is a kharif crop, but in some parts of the south it is also grown as a rabi crop. Requirements: requires bright sunshine and a rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeters is preferred. Grown in the areas with at least 210 frost-free days. Areas: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. Jute. Jute is known as the golden fiber. Cropping season Kharif. Requirements: hot and humid climate with temperatures between 24 to 37 degrees centigrade. Areas: Assam, Bihar, Meghalaya and Odisha. So this was a short discussion regarding the major important crops in India. I hope you all liked it. Thank you and please subscribe to our channel ClearIAS.